All right, everybody, let's start talking about the Algo Builder a little bit more. Some of you guys are asking me some questions, and I think we need to take another look at the Algo Builder and just how good it is at building your algorithm without you actually doing very much. All right, guys, so now we're in the algorithm builder here, and let's just take a look at some of the just default settings that are inside here and show you that it's using indicators that you like anyways. So let's just pick this one called trend following, and it has default settings that it's added in here. Okay, and let's go take a look at what some of those default settings look like. So we're going to be using this much data from 2003 to 2021, and it's going to be creating the algorithm with this much data. And then this thing where it says OOS means like out of sample. Okay, and then this data right here had nothing to do with making the algorithm itself, and so the results that you see in this period are all fresh results, and there's no chance that there could be any over optimizing if once you see the results in this area. Okay, now let's take a look at the indicators that it's using, and so these are called building blocks. And let's go from the top to the bottom here. It's got ADX, Arun, awesome oscillator, bar and time, Bollinger Bands, Bull's Power, candle patterns, CCI, demarker, directional index, highest lowest bar, Ichimoku, Kelter channels, linear regression, I think that's what that means, MACD, momentum indicator, moving average, OSMA, which is another type of moving average, the QQE, the qualitative quantitative estimator, RSI, standard deviation, stochastics, and then the Williams percentage. So it's got all these indicators that it's using, and it's combining to make an algorithm. And so it's using all those indicators, and it's coming up with the best combination of those. And you just press start, and it's working, and it's working to make strategies. So it's already made 1,000 strategies, and the ones that have passed are already in this data bank right here. We've got 73 passing, and so yeah, you can see some of the results right here. And so strategies per hour, just leaving this, it will come up with, well, 500,000 strategies if you just left it alone, and strategies per hour, and the ones that are passing are going into this data bank right here. You know, when I first pressed start and this was happening, I really didn't understand anything that was going on. I just honestly could not figure it out, and I was like, it was too amazing for me that all the hard work is being done by a computer, and just all the hours that I had spent backtesting or trying to figure out an algorithm, that this was making an algorithm for you over a 10-year period, and it's testing it within seconds. Okay, it's saying time per strategy 7 milliseconds. It's coming up with a strategy, and so this is going to fill up until it reaches 1,000 strategies, and so far we're at 500. Now, some of these strategies, we can see the profit factor here is 1.95, which is a great profit factor. But let's look at the some of the bad profit factors. Okay, and so we've got a lot of ones here, and you can see this red, that means there's drawdown, so these are at the very bottom. But I'm gonna show you that you don't have to put up with these low-lying algorithms that it's creating. You can go into full settings, and you can make it a little stricter here. So for instance, the drawdown ratio, the profit factor, which we were looking at, you can only click on this one, 1.3, or change that if you want. And you can change this to the profit factor. You only want, profit factors of 2 or more to pass. So you can add things and average trades per month. Yeah, you don't want this thing sitting idle. You want to see some trades happen. So you're you click this, and then it's only going to pass the algorithms that are trading at least 2 times a month. And yeah, same with the drawdown. You only want the low drawdown versions. And yeah, but look at that, it's already past 1,000 strategies here, and yeah, it generated 26,000 strategies to make and pass those 1,000. And yeah, you can pick the best one right here. Out of all of them, you can look for this one. Usually the top 3 are pretty good, and yeah, you can pick. This one had an annual percentage average drawdown of 0.52%. And anyways, I hope this makes the people who are coming off of indicators and how much they love them, why don't you just try before you start building your own custom strategies using your own indicators that you're currently using with the Algo Wizard, is to definitely start going through all these default settings and trying to create a strategy on a pair that you want, just with the default settings, and start from there. And yep, get into it. The strategy builder is mind-blowing. Okay, you've gotta try it out. You guys, it's so easy to get. Go on to No Nonsense Trader, click on Strategy Quant, and click on the free trial. And definitely watch my shortcut video after you've got it going and installed, and make an algorithm really quickly with the shortcut video. If you buy it, there's some coupons that you can use to make it cheaper. Definitely hit me up if you do buy it and you end up loving it, and so we can share information with each other. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.